Hi, my name is Emil, and in this video I'll be explaining crypto wallets and ledgers. I'll be answering a couple of questions like how does a crypto wallet work? What is the difference between hardware and software wallets? What is a crypto ledger? What kind of crypto wallet is best for beginners? And how do crypto wallets work on Anycoin Direct? In the description below you can easily jump to the section of this video that's relevant to you. What is a crypto wallet? The short answer is that it's a virtual wallet for your virtual currency, just like a wallet for your traditional currency. But unlike a traditional wallet, which physically stores your cash, a crypto wallet does not store your crypto holdings at all. Your cryptocurrency is stored entirely on the blockchain. Instead, your crypto wallet is more like a keychain because it holds the keys you need to access your crypto. You will need two keys to get to your crypto, a public key and a private key. The public key is used to receive payments and the private key is used to make payments. These keys are similar to the details you need to access your traditional currency. To get paid, people need your account number, but to get your cash, you need your PIN number. And in the same way you don't ever share your PIN number, you should also never share your private key. If we dig a little deeper though, we'll see that there are different types of crypto wallets. There are hard wallets, which are also referred to as cold wallets, and there are software wallets, or hot wallets. Simply put, a hot wallet allows for online storage of your private keys, typically via a website or some form of software. Hot wallets allow you to manage your assets through one easy-to-use central platform, shop at online stores that are known to accept crypto payments, and send or receive cryptocurrency anywhere in the world with little to no fuss. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are physical thumb drive devices that allow for offline storage of your private keys, meaning that you can literally hold the keys to your holdings in the palm of your hand. The principle behind the use of a cold wallet is to introduce an added layer of security into the mix. For this reason, cold wallets are often considered to be the safest crypto wallets. Despite being connected to the internet, your keys are safe because the transaction is signed in an offline environment. Cold wallets can come at a higher cost and can become a lot less convenient when conducting day-to-day transactions. A hardware wallet can cost anywhere between $50 and $200 and will often require you to physically connect the device to a computer of some kind. However, if you plan on dealing in larger quantities of crypto, investing in a secure hardware wallet is a relatively small price to pay for the added peace of mind. This brings us to the crypto ledger. So what is the crypto ledger? This is not to be confused with the blockchain's distributed ledger, which enables everyone on the blockchain network to view and validate transactions. If you wish to learn more about that, simply click on the eye above to be redirected to that video. A ledger wallet, on the other hand, is a multi-currency hardware wallet made by Ledger, a company headquartered in Paris, France. Ledger's hardware wallets are device-based, which means they use storage mechanisms, like USB drives, to store private keys for cryptocurrencies offline, thereby making it difficult for hackers to access the key from an online location. While hardware wallets like those made by Ledger come with increased security for crypto, they also require greater user responsibility. Using a hardware wallet means you hold the private keys to your crypto, rather than them being held on an exchange. If you make the mistake in losing your PIN and backup seed phrase, the crypto held on that wallet will be gone forever. There's nothing that Ledger or anyone else will be able to do to help. That's why investors holding a small amount of crypto might not need a crypto wallet like Ledger. For some people, a trusted third-party custodian, like a crypto service, might be the best option. Let's consider what the best kind of crypto wallet is for beginners. Beginning with the question, do I need a crypto wallet? Yes, but most crypto services will give you access to a custodial wallet. This is available via the platform and is accessible whenever you're logged onto the website and without having to download any software. Crypto wallets offer an added layer of security that many exchanges, particularly the decentralized platforms, simply cannot. Despite the more reputable exchanges offering insurance coverage on your investments, there still remains a very real risk when relying solely on exchanges to manage and secure your holdings. It is recommended that once you are more comfortable with crypto trading, that you transition into storing your investments on your own. There's a saying in the crypto community, not your keys, not your Bitcoin, meaning that unless you hold the keys, you don't really have Bitcoin in your possession. That being said, What is the best crypto wallet? Well, the custodial wallets at a crypto service make for the most user-friendly option for investors new to the market, as they're available to you whenever you log on to their website. You should also consider an online crypto wallet that offers a two-step encryption option so as to add an extra layer of security. So, do crypto wallets provided by crypto services work in the same way? At Anycoin Direct, for example, they have dozens of cryptocurrencies on offer, and each of those coins can be stored in their custodial wallet. Using Anycoin Direct for your crypto services means that you can easily connect all the wallets that are relevant to your investment plan, whether it be investing in a single cryptocurrency or diversifying into multiple coins. At Anycoin Direct, you can decide whether you want to store your coins in the custodial wallet they offer, or you can send them to another wallet address. The process is as easy as entering your details and transferring your funds as you would while using internet banking. The custodial wallet at Anycoin Direct is called Anycoin Vault and is free to use while trading on their platform. They have a wealth of resources on their website to help you understand which is the most secure wallet for each coin. If you want to know more about other topics regarding crypto, check out our other videos here, or subscribe to the Anycoin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.